Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm making a card using some DecoFoil in gold and also some DecoFoil Transfer Gel, along with a stencil from StencilGirl. This is called, what is this called? Garden Flowers and Leaves. It's the outline. And to all the products that I'm using, I'll have a list of the links down below in the description box, and I'll also have them listed on my blog too as well. But this month I was asked to be a guest designer from StencilGirl, and of course I accepted. And I love stencils from StencilGirl. I love stencils. So anyways, I am going to get started on my card. So the first thing I do, I have some pieces. I'm going to do the stencil onto a piece of cardstock. It's just regular white cardstock. And then using the transfer gel, I'm just going to do a thin layer over the entire piece. There you go, you can see that on there. It's white right now, and then I'm going to let that dry. Once it dries, it will be clear. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm also going to do the same onto this little yellow strip. Okay, while these pieces are drying, I'm going to clean off my stencil with some soap and water because I don't want that to dry on my stencil. And I will be right back. There we go. Now that it is dry, you can see it is clear on both of my pieces. Well, you can't really tell so much on the white cardstock, but it is clear. But you can really tell on this one. I am now going to put it in some parchment paper. I'm going to do one piece at a time. And taking the DecoFoil, so the shiny side of the transfer gel is going to be facing up, and then you're going to put a piece of the DecoFoil right over the top of that, also with the shiny side facing up, and then just put it into a laminating machine. And then repeating the same thing on the other piece. And while that's running through, I'll show you what it looks like on this one. You're just going to peel the layer right off. And you have a beautiful foiled background paper. And there we go. So now I am going to adhere these to some, mat them to some pieces of craft paper. Okay, now using a Hello die from Ellen Hudson. I cut it out 3 times, and I'm going to stack these together using some On Point glue from Imagine. Now the DecoFoil, I'm going to use an adhesive pen right over the top. This is basically the same as the transfer gel, but because it's in a pen, you have a little bit more control over where you're going to have it go. There you go. And then just adhere the hello to the front of your card, and you'll be done. There we go. Please click the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.